Hey friends, if you encounter the Windows error code 0xc00000f, then please watch this video. Now, this is with the boot configuration drive. It's an error with that. So we have three commands for you. The first one is bootrex space / fix mbr. The second one has fix boot, and the third one has rebuild bcd. Just copy all these three commands. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Paste it and hit enter. It's not recognized in mine, but it will be recognized in yours if you have the appropriate hard disk. The next one is to check the hard disk. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space / r space / f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the check disk scan. Now this will need a while, and then you will have to restart your computer. Again, it will need a while, so it will need time. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.